Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start with the face makeup because my hair appointment is a little bit later. So first I'm just going to put my hair back and then right away we're going to start on the brows. I'm using my Urban Decay single eyeshadow in the shade Dark Horse on a Sigma E15 brush. Next, going in with the P.Louise eyeshadow base in the shade 02 and an e.l.f. smudge brush, I'm just going to carve out my brows and lay down that base as an eyeshadow primer. Next, using my Morphe JH08 brush, I'm just going to lightly go over the base to make it smooth and adding my tape to have a nice edge. Going with my BH Cosmetics face palette and my Morphe JH41 brush, I'm just going to use the lightest shade in the palette to add a little bit of highlighter beneath the brow bone. Now going in with the James Charles palette in this very light neutral brown shade on a Morphe M441 brush, I'm just packing that in my crease very lightly on the outsides. Next, going in with a darker shade from the palette on a Morphe JH35 brush, I'm going to add on the inside of the crease and on the outside of the crease, mostly packing the color, and then as you can see now, blending it across, but really to make sure that you also have color more towards the inner parts of your eyelids. Lastly, we're just going in with a little bit of black and my MAC 217 brush, and we're going to do the same process, start on the outside and very slowly build it up across the lid and then more towards the inner part of your eyes. Next, using the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Glamrock, I'm just adding that mostly in the center, and then on top of that adding a loose glitter by NYX and just packing that on with an M434 brush. Going in with my Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, I'm just going to add some regular cat eyeliner across the eye along with mascara and Flutter lashes, and the top of this eye is complete. Here's the completed hair and makeup look for the competition. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think and what you want to see next from me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.